we'll guide you through how to download files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your file list in the main area. Navigate to the specific file or folder you want to download. If it's a single file, simply hover over it and you'll see a checkbox appear on the left side. Click the checkbox to select the file. If it's a folder or multiple files you want, you can select them by clicking the checkboxes next to each item. After selecting the files or folder, look at the top of the page for the download button, which should now be active. Click it, and your browser will initiate the download process. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose a location to save the file, or it might automatically save to your downloads folder. If you're downloading a folder, Dropbox will automatically compress it into a zip file to make it easier to download. You can then unzip this file on your computer to access the contents. It's that simple. If you're ever unsure about the process, take a moment to look at the icons and options Dropbox provides, as they give visual cues to help you along the way. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.